So pasty butt is something where it can clog up a chicken's butt and it can cause them to die if you don't clean it off. So here is an example of pasty butt. It does not look good.
And did you mention what causes pasty butt?
Stress. So say when you're getting your chickens in the mail, they can get some stress and it can clog up their butt where they have pasty butt.
Okay.
So Mom's going to clean it off.
All right, so what we're going to use is just a warm, wet paper towel or a rag and just gently kind of wipe around it. You want to get all that dried poop off the bottom and open up that vent area. Because if they can't, poop and it gets clogged up, then that's going to cause issues and the chicken can quickly pass away.
Pasty butt where it should look like.
All right, so there's a clean bottom. Show them again. This is a pasty butt bottom, and that is what a clean bottom should look like. All right. You just kind of gently work your way around. And if they get really wet, like we've taken hair dryers before and just kind of dried them off a little bit if needed, but hopefully I won't have to do that. But see how it still needs some cleaning around here, but now its vent is kind of opened up, so now the poop is not going to be as clogged. All right, William, is that it, buddy?
Yep, and I just put it back and it'll be fine.
All right, anything else you want to say?
No, ma'am. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!